Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to adjust one page in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first you have to open your InDesign software. Now you want to change the one page. At first go to the file menu, select the document setup option, and we can see here the document setup. Now you click here the number of page. Now you want to set the one page size. Go to the select page size drop down menu. Now I make the page size A4. Then click OK. Now you can see we change the size of the page and make only one page very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.